My name is Rebecca Baker and I study maths, further maths, physics and film studies at A2 levels. I chose maths and physics as my main subjects because I've always enjoyed them ever since I was little, and I just find it all completely fascinating, and yeah, here has helped develop my love for maths and physics. And I chose Neath because it was a very friendly college. The other colleges I visited in sixth forms, I didn't really like the atmosphere there at all. It's a very friendly atmosphere here, which was the main reason I chose to come here. I remember one lesson where our lecturer got out a Van de Graaff generator where we investigated electric fields, and she had students come up and the electrostatic pulled their hair up and there was balls popping out to the top of this thing and everyone kept getting electric shocks, and it was a really funny lesson. If a student was struggling, as I said before, there's all the teachers, but there's also learner services where there's a counsellor and there's everybody, there's tons of support here to help you. I was involved in Maths Challenge, which is a sort of test which they do all around the UK, where it's a multi-choice maths exam and they do it every year. There's different levels, foundation, intermediate and higher. I got silver, I think, in both first year and second year. In the summer, I went to 2 summer schools. I went to Liverpool University to do a 4-day course on aerospace engineering, which was part of Head Start, which was extremely interesting and I loved it. You got to stay in the halls there, so you felt what it was like to be a real student. And I also did the work at university, which the students actually do, so it was nice to be able to see what the course would actually be like if I took it. For anyone thinking of studying at Neath Talbot College, I definitely recommend it. It's a really friendly atmosphere, everyone's there to help you. It's just great. It'll be some of the best years of your life.